So today I'm going to walk you through my all-time favorite Instapot recipe. This banana bread oatmeal recipe is a meal prep idea to jumpstart your week with a pre-made breakfast. To make this recipe in the Instapot, you want to go ahead and heat your Instapot to simmer. That heats up the device very quickly. Then you're going to go ahead and coat the inside of the 6-quart Instapot with a non-stick cooking spray. Then you're going to add 3 cups of almond milk, 1 cup of dry steel oats, 6 tablespoons of ground flaxseed, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of sea salt, a half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 3 ripe bananas sliced. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for cooking and remove the lid, taking care that there is no remaining steam. Evenly top every serving with the remaining almond milk, maple syrup, and walnuts. Enjoy!